This is seriously the most beautiful country in the world, by far. If you haven't visited Kurdistan, visit Kurdistan. If you don't know what to do in Kurdistan, ask me. I'll tell you what to do in Kurdistan. This fucking place is like heaven. Just look at that. Just fucking look at that. In Kurdistan, you can't drive for like 5 minutes without stopping because you want to stop just to look at the flipping view. Look at this. Look at that. There's a saying that Kurds say is, we have no friends but the mountains. And that's not because it looks good. That is one thing, it does look amazing and beautiful. And the reason for that saying is back in the day when the Peshmergas, which is the Kurdish soldiers, when they used to fight, they used to hide in these mountains and attack them from there. And when people used to run from the villages and from the cities, they used to run into the mountains. And that is probably the main reason Kurds still exist to this day, because otherwise, if we had stayed in the cities, we could have been wiped out. But the mountains saved us, and the mountains are our friends. You know why I'm annoyed? I should have brought shisha. If I had brought shisha, I would have just sat here. I would have just smoked it and looked at the mountains. Why not? That translates to, this is the big mosque, and it's actually just called the big mosque. Chibu. Johnny, bro. Okay, so this is called the Red Prison, Amna Suraka in Kurdish. So back in the days, I'd imprison all the Kurds in these fucking cells over here and those over there. And then one day the Kurds overthrew it, freed everyone, took all their military vehicles. These are all their military vehicles. You can see all the gun. You can see the bullet holes in the walls. That's all bullet holes everywhere. Bullet holes over there. Literally tanks. I'm currently on an anti-aircraft missile thing. Look at this. So this next room is for the Anfal genocide. There's 180,000 pieces of glass, each for one of the people who died in the genocide. And this is exactly what it looks like right here. Check this out. Chase! So this is Dukan Dam. This side is the lake. And then, it's pretty windy. On this side, we have the other side of the dam. So we were at the dam, and all that water in the lake goes into this massive like sinkhole type thing right there, and then that goes down into there through this mountain, and it comes out the other side.
كردستاني سيفي وتشفي وقريان سرسون في كرماشاني عفرين وزاخد وكشاي شمعراني بو كانوا مهابادي جوانا البركي كاني صنوي لاموبانا البركي مريواني كركوكو كردكاني سرسون في قرمياني هالبركي يجكم ندي بقى بكردستاني سجواني يجكم ندي بقى بكسي كردستاني سرسوبي كل قرد وراي وشينا سرسوبي لقلتو مشايقة بهجينا
لبيش عقر برستي دا لبيش مسلمانيتي دا لديني ولا سربستي دا هكرد بوينوم هكرد أمين نعرب من إيراني نترجي شخصتاني نكر من خون نجوش عليك كرد مو كردستاني نعرب من إيراني نترجي شخصتاني نكر من خون نجوش عليك كرد مو كردستاني ككرد مو كردستاني